Hello everyone. Many homeowners feel restricted by traditional balcony designs, often battling with obtrusive railings that obstruct breathtaking views. How can you open up your space and create an elegant outdoor area that enhances your home's beauty? The answer lies in frameless glass balconies. Our frameless glass balcony solution offers a seamless blend of beauty and practicality, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors without sacrificing safety. The sleek, modern design enhances the aesthetics of any home, providing a sense of openness that traditional balconies simply can't match. Not only do our frameless glass balconies elevate your outdoor experience, but they also increase your property value and appeal. Investing in a glass balcony means enjoying your surroundings without barriers, providing you with an inviting atmosphere that friends and family will love. Ready to elevate your outdoor space and make it a favorite gathering spot? Take the first step towards transforming your balcony into a stunning retreat with our innovative frameless glass solutions today. To know more details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.